If you watched my previous video on the STI headlights, you might have realized that in that video the high beams weren't working as intended, as the wiring wasn't properly done. But I've now wired my headlights correctly, and the high beams now actually turn off the low beams when you turn them on. Now here you can see how it should normally work. The low beams, just the low beams like in my last video, and if you now turn on the high beams, it's just the upper part without the low beam being on. The problem when trying to wire up STI headlights to a WRX is that the STI headlights use two separate bulbs for low and high beam, whereas the WRX uses a combined bulb. Now as for the blinkers and parking lights, they can just be plugged over as they use exactly the same plug. But the headlight leveling adjuster doesn't work because that uses a completely different system on the STI. Now here's a wiring diagram that shows how to wire up the low and high beam of the STI headlights to the WRX. Your Subi's wiring harness comes with 3 wires, 1 positive and 2 grounds. The lights work in the way that the positive is always active and the grounds get activated. The blue cable with the white stripe, which for some reason is red with a blue stripe on the other side of the car, is the 12 volts positive cable. This has to be wired up to the positive end of both bulbs. The yellow cable with the red stripe then goes to the negative of the low beam, and the red cable goes to the negative of the high beam. So that's basically all there is to wiring up STI headlights to a WRX, at least for the non-HID version of the STI headlights. I hope this helped you. Bye.